And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera about an hour ago, looking towards lovely downtown Lethbridge. 0 is where we're at right now. Yeah, it says clear, but it's a little cloudy in parts of Lethbridge. We got down to -2 at 3 a.m. this morning, and 4 was our high at 2 p.m. this afternoon. There's the numbers up on your screen. We've got a lot of minus values. Of course, Lethbridge right now at 0. That's our average for this time of year, as a matter of fact, so we're not doing too bad. But minus single-digit values in most of the areas, and to the west of the Continental Divide. Same scenario. What we're watching is a low-pressure center that's migrating onto the BC coast. Now, wind warnings, very strong wind warnings, are out for the central and northern coastal areas. Heavy snowfall warning up towards Hayes Junction in the Yukon. But what we're looking at to the south is basically clear skies as a result of that ridge of high pressure building in. We talked about this yesterday, that it was going to reestablish itself in the next 24 to 36 hours, and that's certainly what it has done. So any of the strong possibility of snowfall is being diverted well to the north. But here we do have a chance of seeing that continual snowfall to the south in the mountain park areas, and also along the Continental Divide further to the south, and then into Montana and Idaho in the next 24 hours. We're not talking huge amounts. You folks in East Kootenay, in Cranbrook, probably see 2 to 4 centimeters when everything is said and done by this time tomorrow. So not huge amounts of snow, but you know, when you look at the satellite map here and the forecaster indicating that snow activity will remain isolated into those areas. So here in the south in Alberta, we're not really looking at that snowfall activity as a condition for us. -2 degrees in St. John's. They do have a winter watch in effect right there. Low pressure center moving through the area. Temperatures pretty healthy through the Maritimes, although snow squall warnings are still out just for the mouth of the St. Lawrence with some strong winds there, and that'll continue overnight tonight as well. We've got foggy conditions in Winnipeg at -7 degrees, -9 and -17 in Saskatoon and Regina, seeing some sunshine there. -4 in the capital, -1 in Kelowna. A little bit of a sun and cloud mix in Vancouver is what they enjoyed today. Cloudy in Whitehorse, and they actually saw some sunshine, which probably took the sting out of that high of -26 degrees in Yellowknife. Check out the overnight forecast. We've got -3 degrees for a high tomorrow for you folks in East Kootenay, but as I said, 2 to 4 centimeters of snow expected for you. Crow's Nest Pass, chance of flurries tonight, mainly cloudy down to -9 up to -2 tomorrow, and mainly sunny throughout the daytime hours tomorrow. Medicine Hat looking at mainly cloudy skies tonight, down to -7. Sun and cloud mix and -1 for a high tomorrow. Your winds will be out of the south. And in Lethbridge, we're looking at 0 for a daytime high tomorrow after an overnight low of -10. Mainly clear skies after midnight tonight, mainly sunny tomorrow. There's your 5-day forecast. We're heading into some really nice temperatures. And even though as you get into Tuesday and Wednesday, and I know Sarah is watching because she has to travel on Tuesday, and we had the discussion on the phone today. It's not heavy snowfall, it's just chance of flurries for both of these days. So if you have to get out and drive, it doesn't look like it's going to be too serious for you out on the roads, just that chance of flurry activity. Now, our CTV Citizen Salute, we have to salute Martin. Martin's been volunteering for over 40 years with a variety of organizations in southeastern BC, southern Alberta, and as far east as southern Ontario. So we're saluting him for what he does here. So congratulations, Martin. We have a basket here for you. That's it for me. Have a safe and happy weekend, everyone. We'll see you Monday.